Alright folks, it's Yat Kean here from BRABUS. So we're basically at the smart booth right now. So basically they are going to launch the new smart hashtag 1 BRABUS edition, okay? Yeah, so we are still waiting for the official launch. So do stay tuned. And yeah, we will wait for it. So the car is already still under the view. We are still waiting for the launch, so hold on.
Let our launch begin. Listen to the music. Presenting to you the first ever all-electric smart hashtag 1 BRABUS. And 3, 2, 1, and view the car. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Our smart hashtag 1 BRABUS has finally made its public debut in Southeast Asia. Our smart hashtag 1 BRABUS is a combination of advanced technology, exceptional EV performance, and uncompromising comfort. And now let us capture this electric moment with a group photo. Can everybody look to the center here? Seri Haji Fadila. Big smile si Ahmad Muhammad.
Alright folks, so basically the smart hashtag 1 BRABUS has been launched in Malaysia. We are going to check out the car itself. So right now it's doing some light show right now. You can see the lighting. LED light. And the bumper grills also. Yes, lighting is to it. So here is the rims itself. Looks cool. Gun tires. Alright. So this is the door. Look at that. There's no frame. Frameless window. Really cool. Splendid. So let's go check around. Look at that, that's LED lighting. That is amazing. We are seeing the rear boot as well. Quite spacious as well. It's open. So the charging point is over here. On that too. So the side skirting, there's also BRABUS branding as well. Absolutely nice, really nice. So let me just go and check out again the rear. Now you know what? I think we go and check out the interior first. So let's start off with the rear seating space. So it's a 3-seater here, technically a 3-seater, and definitely the center one you can put down for armrest console. So there's also air conditioning here at the back with a USB Type-C and Type-A charging port as well. Not bad, not bad. And definitely look at the doors here. So this is the speaker. Amazing, amazing. Really amazing. So let us just go and continue check out back the rear. So you can see this is the rear bumper. So the rear bumper on the left side, there's also BRABUS branding as well. Hey, one more thing, you have to go and check out this rooftop on this smart hashtag 1 BRABUS. Look at that. That panoramic view is so nice. Alright, so here is the driver's seat space. So you can see this is the digital mirror. steering, you can see there's a BRABUS branding on it. Looks fantastic looking. There's wireless charging as well. And here is the infotainment display. That's cool. And check out the seats there. There's also BRABUS branding as well. Look at the seats themselves. So there's also a smart branding plate on the floor. So this is the door. So definitely don't have the speakers like the rear door, but there's ample space for you to put your stuff inside here. Cool. Alright, so basically that's the Smart #1 BRABUS in Malaysia. Definitely a cool car. A cool car to be getting one if you are looking for an EV car in the Malaysian market right now. So yep, you are available for purchase right now, especially for the Malaysians. If you want to purchase a really one-of-a-kind EV car that has BRABUS branding. Definitely love the real big spoiler. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Yeah. So I just want to show you guys one more time the BRABUS branding on the rear bumper as well. Yeah, not bad, not bad. So if you like this kind of content, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel and also follow us on the social media as well, because it's going to be very important for us to get more subscribers and followers on the YouTube channel and the social media. So one last thing, make sure to head to the website and read all the happenings in Malaysia and internationally. Once again, Yat Kean here from Training Ground. I'm gonna sign off. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you guys on the next one.